Did you know that there is a certain set of steps that, if performed in a very particular order, would result in you becoming a millionaire? I read that on Reddit a long time ago, and I see it pop up from time to time. And every time I do see it, my mind goes straight to cryptocurrency, because picking the right one to invest in today could literally result in that becoming a reality. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Reese, and in today's video, I am going over my top 5 picks, or my top 5 cryptocurrencies that I think have the fundamentals to see massive gains in the near future and coming years. Just as a quick recap, I am currently running a giveaway worth $100 of Bitcoin, where I'll be picking a winner at random at the end of March to celebrate hitting 1,000 subscribers. So if you'd like to enter, all you need to do is be a subscriber to the channel, leave a like down below, and also comment what your favorite cryptocurrency is and why on any of the videos I release over this month. Yeah, we're in March now, over this month. Now, just as a quick disclaimer, these 5 cryptocurrencies that I'm about to cover are my picks. I am not a financial advisor. They are cryptocurrencies that I believe have massive potential growth opportunities. And if I had to rank my top 5, these would be them. So first up on my list is Chainlink. The project aims to use smart contracts to connect blockchain to real world data that isn't native to blockchain. For those of you who do not know, a smart contract is an agreement between two people in the form of computer code. They run on the blockchain, so they are stored on a public database and they cannot be changed. Now, a large percentage of smart contracts require input from real world data, which they are currently unable to retrieve automatically. Examples of real world data could be weather metrics, market data, or payment transactions. Really any type of data that is tracked and useful. So if Chainlink is actually able to achieve this goal, they will potentially boost the market for decentralized apps, known as DApps, and I'm going to make a video on this topic in the near future, so stay tuned. Overall, if successful, the project will improve transparency, efficiency, and security of blockchain-based smart contracts. And Chainlink seems to be very popular amongst others. If you watch other videos on top 5s and top 10s, you read articles, it generally makes their list because they probably see the value just like I do in the project, and that's why it's made my list today. Now, the second cryptocurrency on my list, and I'm going to say it like an Aussie, Cardano, ADA, Cardano, that one. It is a 3rd generation blockchain, and it aims to solve 3 fundamental roadblocks within blockchain technology. At a high level, if we zoom out and don't go into the specifics of these issues, they are interoperability, sustainability, and the ability to scale at mass. I encourage you to look into the issues that Cardano is trying to address. If you want a more in-depth explanation, there are some videos out there which do a very good job of explaining this, and they explain the intricacies in a way that I could never do it justice, especially in such a short period of time. So look up those resources if you're interested. There is an absolute multitude online. This project has a lot of ambitious goals to achieve, but they are still in their early development stages. That's why for me, they are a long-term pick. If they are able to solve some of these fundamental goals in the future, they will definitely hold their position of being one of the most popular and top performing cryptocurrencies. Of course, I had to put it on the list. Number 3 is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the golden child of cryptocurrency. It is an unstoppable force. Every time I think it's done breaching its new all-time highs, I am left with my feet planted on the ground while I'm watching its price head in the direction of the moon. So far, if you bought Bitcoin at any point throughout its entire life, since its inception, your portfolio should be in the green, minus any of the recent dips literally in the past month. But before that, I'm talking years before that, if you bought it at any point and held onto it, you should be in the green. Bitcoin is estimated to reach a price point of at least $100,000 in the year of 2021. And it's kind of hard to put a cap on the price that it could eventually get to. If you compare it to something like gold, because it is claimed to be the digital gold, gold's market cap is about $10 trillion. So Bitcoin isn't even 1/10 at the time of recording this video, which is exciting, to be honest. On top of this, Bitcoin's popularity has grown substantially in the past year, where we are now seeing billionaires, hedge funds, and billion-dollar companies come online to invest in the asset, which gives me nothing but confidence that the price of it is going to continue to grow. It is a cryptocurrency that lots of people expect to see the growth and continuation of its price on the upwards trend, and a lot of people have faith in it, which is why it ultimately has made my list today. Now, number 4 on my list is Polkadot, which is being called the Internet of Blockchains. The project is aiming to be able to share information between blockchains, as there is not currently an effective way to share information between them. As an example, as of right now, any smart contracts taking place on the Bitcoin network would have no idea of any of the transactions taking place on the Dogecoin network. And what Polkadot is trying to do is essentially trying to connect a big network of blockchains. This project has the idea in mind to improve pooled security and also to make it easier to connect different types of blockchains together. The ultimate benefit of doing this will allow the development of better applications using blockchain technology without having to reinvent the wheel. Fundamentally, this is an extremely useful solution to how cryptocurrencies interact with each other, and it's why it's made my list today. And last, but certainly not least, I had to put it on there. It is my favorite cryptocurrency at the moment. I'm joking, it's VeChain. Now, some might say that I am biased, but this is a project that is worth looking into. I believe that the price is currently significantly undervalued, and the problem that it is trying to tackle is a global issue, a problem that plagues businesses all over the globe. It is setting out to solve issues in supply chain for both customers and companies who make and sell products. I don't really need to dive in any deeper because I've covered VeChain extensively on my channel, how it works, what's to come, and how you can invest in it. So check out any of the videos in my cryptocurrency playlist if you're interested in learning more about VeChain. And I have to throw it in there because I want to come back to this video in the future to see if I was right, and it's that I truly believe VeChain will hit the value of $1. In 2021, will it happen? Maybe, but is it almost guaranteed to happen in the years to come? Yes, if they keep going the way they're going, the way they're absolutely smashing goals within the project or the team that's working on this project, absolutely a $1 valuation is possible. And that pretty much sums it up. I strongly believe that investing in any of these cryptocurrencies will see you making a positive return on your initial investment in the years to come. They are all growing projects, they are all popular projects, and they are technically all still in the early stages of their development. Except for Bitcoin, that is just on another level. As always, remember that I am not a financial advisor. I know I've mentioned it in all of my videos. I kind of have to. I am a random dude talking on the internet about topics I'm interested in. Take what I say with a grain of salt. Do your own research. Only invest what you are willing to lose. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope that you got something out of it, and I hope I made you think about potential investments you could be making in the near future. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on bell notifications. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate the support that everyone's been giving me. And overall, have a good day, have a good week, and I will see you in the next one.